Again, it's me, Mark Hyder. Just what came in the post today. Well, not the camera, but it is linking to the camera. I got my 16 gig SDHC Class 4 SD, bit of mouthful there, memory card. There it is, the memory card. Got it cheap on Amazon. I got a very good deal for it, and I'm just going to go on to Amazon and actually tell you how much it costs, because it was one of the cheapest memory cards I found that was at least 16 gig in size. Normally around that price, the price range where I bought it from, you're probably lucky to get more likely going to get maybe 2 gig to 8 gig. But I paid £6.95 for this with free delivery, which was a bargain. Just read it from the back. Compatible with SDHC compatible devices include digital cameras and camcorders, digital photo frames, TVs, car audio, tablet PCs and laptops. Car case included, 5-year warranty included in this as well. By Parison, lots of videos I can record of this. There'll be a lot more I can get on it on this iPhone, for example, because I can get maybe up to about 30 minutes. I want something with widescreen pictures, widescreen footage as well, and this doesn't record in big screen. When you upload it to YouTube, there's big chunks it knocks off, one on the left and one on the right. You see my other videos where it doesn't render to the screen properly. That is hopefully going to be changed when I get this new camera kit, which at the moment it has not changed since yesterday. Basically says it's customs clearance. It's got cleared the customs. It does say guaranteed by the April the 29th 2013 as well, post office to address E. That being said, because it's coming from a courier, I could get it today or could get it Monday. I won't get it Sunday because there's no post Sunday, but Monday is the latest time I'm going to get it. If not, I'm going to wait for probably this week. Hopefully it's coming tomorrow or coming today or Monday, because I don't want to wait too long for it. If it's in the UK, it shouldn't take 2 weeks just to come to my house. Okay? There's also a Class 4 as well. I can't wait. I sent this picture as well onto my Twitter, Facebook, Lock and Own app as well. I'm very happy. It's a very good buy. Yeah, the camera will come with an 8 gig SD card included. But what Chris Perillo has said to me, Facebook message, that by experience, go for the 16 gig, you get more space compared to the 8 gig. That because you're able to get at least 1080p quality onto the on 16 compared to the 16 gig. I'm not recording. I don't think I'm recording in 1080p on this phone anyway. But it's best what I've got at the moment until I get this new camera, which is happening very, very soon. Yep, watch this space. Watch this space. No sign on my camera yet. I'm trying to pass the time watching YouTube clips, watching old Chris Perillo clips, checking my email, maybe play an odd Facebook game, refreshing the tracking information. Oh well, according to this, it's guaranteed by Monday or 29th. But I'd like it to come much earlier. If it came earlier, I'd be happy. You'll be happy. All be happy. We all be happy. Yay! But it doesn't work like that. It will come when it comes. I'm gonna play some CSI Facebook game. I'm bored basically. I just want to pass the time playing games. But I'm bored without this getting this camera at the moment because I can do more videos of unboxing. If you catch my last video I uploaded to YouTube yesterday, I'm doing what is called a tag questions. So far I've only got about 4 questions asked to me at the moment. If you got some questions for me to be answered by me, leave a message in the comments below. Go back to my other video and leave a comment in that video. You can leave the questions in this video. Hello. You can also leave the questions in my other video as well. I'm looking around about 10 to 25 questions. I don't mind how many questions you give me. I will random select probably maximum of 30 questions I can answer. I don't want too many questions and be taking 2 hours to answer them. You know what I mean? Hello. But that's sneezing. Oh, I stopped. Right, I will see you later on. Just making another coffee. Pardon? I'm not making the drink! Oh, hang on. Mum, I'm flocking myself, man. You're the one who wants coffee. You want coffee as well? Yes, of course. Okay. Sorry, bit of a spinning. I like spinning around. Well, not. I mean, like spinning around my chair. Like more weird. So I just need to open up. I hate these tops. Questions are being asked. What should you do to start your own vlog? Well, the first sort of advice, do it how you like. I can't tell you how you can make a blog, only you can decide that. What should I use? Anything that is on hand. Like for instance, I've got my iPhone, okay, and my new camera. That's what I've got off hand to record video. You don't need an iPhone to record video. If you got a camera that records video, use that. It doesn't have to be 1080p or 720p, but 720 and 1080p is a bonus as well. There's no right or wrong way to make your own videos. And my videos are good enough. I don't care what people say about my videos. I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. I don't care what people think. I did it my way. And that's the truth. Did I? I was the one cut that cut. I was about to add hot water to my milk. I'm kind of getting used to these making videos. I'm still willing to learn as well. One coffee. Thank you. It's not a bright day today.
Yeah, it's not warm though.
Not warm.
It's only 11 degrees.
In Fahrenheit?
40, 50.
40, 50 Fahrenheit. But if you want to make your own vlogs, okay, do it how you want. You choose the subject, you choose the timescale, and you don't have to do a vlogs every day. Okay, if you've got the time, you can. But most of the people with a hectic lifestyle can't afford to do videos every day. There was a time I couldn't do my videos every day. That's only because I work, and that's how it's paid that's how I'm paying the bills. But since I am on holiday, I can start making the videos. Well, this is a short vlog by me today. Hopefully it'll be a much bigger vlog once I get my camera. On that note, hope you enjoyed my mini video today, and thank you for liking and sharing this video and all my other videos on YouTube Spectrum. Bye!